Spring is in full swing and the housing market is picking up along with it. And if you've been wondering whether now is the right time to buy or sell, here's the inside scoop on why the spring might be a great time to make a move. Number one, there are more homes for sale. After a long stretch of tight inventory, the number of homes for sale is finally improving. According to recent national data from Realtor.com, active listings are up 27.5% compared to this time last year. Look at the graph below. Follow the green line for 2025. You see, even though inventory levels haven't returned to pre-pandemic levels, shown in the gray here, that number is higher than it has been going into the spring market over the past few years. Buyers, this means you have more choices and you can be more selective. Sellers, with more homes available than in recent years, you're more likely to find what you're looking for when making your move. And knowing that inventory is still below normal levels means there'll be more demand for your home when you sell it too. Number two, home price growth is moderating. You see, as inventory grows, the pace of home price growth is slowing down, and that will continue into the spring market. This is because prices are driven by supply and demand. When there are more homes for sale, buyers have more options, so there's less competition for each house. Rising supply and less buyer competition causes price growth to slow, but it still should remain positive in most markets. As Freddie Mac says, in 2025, we expect the pace of house price appreciation to moderate from levels seen in 2024, while still maintaining a basic positive trajectory. While prices aren't dropping at the national level, every market is different. In Richmond, we're still seeing strong price growth, while other areas are seeing cooling off or even some price declines. What does this mean in Richmond? The slower pace of growth means prices aren't rising as quickly as before. And for buyers, that's a relief. So any home you buy now is likely to appreciate in value over time, helping you build equity. If you're a seller in Richmond, while prices are still rising, you might need to adjust your expectations. Overpricing your house in a more balanced market can mean it takes longer to sell. Pricing your house competitively is going to be the key to attracting offers. Number three, mortgage rates are stabilizing. One of the biggest hurdles for buyers over the past couple of years have been the high, volatile mortgage rates. But there's some good news. Overall, they've stabilized in recent weeks and have even declined a bit since the beginning of this year. And while that decrease hasn't been a big drop, you see stabilizing mortgage rates has helped make buying a home a little bit more predictable. According to Selma Hepp, the chief economist at CoreLogic, with the spring home buying season upon us, the recent improvements in mortgage rates may actually help invite buyers back into the market. So if you're a buyer, when mortgage rates are more stable, it's easier to plan ahead because you have a better idea of what your future payment may actually be. But remember, rates could be a little bit more volatile going in the future. So make sure you lean into your agent and your lender to make sure you know what the latest mortgage rate means to you. Now, sellers in Richmond, slightly lower rates that are starting to stabilize are encouraging more buyers to move forward with their plans. That's good for demand when you're trying to plan to sell your house. And lastly, number four, in Richmond here, we are seeing more buyers returning. With more inventory, a slowing price growth, and stabilizing mortgage rates, buyers are gaining confidence in coming back into the market. Demand is picking up. Even data from the Mortgage Bankers Association shows there's an increase in mortgage applications compared to the start of the year. And then buyers in Richmond here, they're acting sooner rather than later. Could be a smart move before your competition heats up more. Now, sellers in Richmond here, this is really good news for you. This means more buyers have a better chance of making your house sell quickly. So what is the bottom line to all this? Do you have questions about what the spring market means for you? Let's connect without sales pressure and talk about how to craft your plan for this season. You see, with more homes for sale, slowing price growth, and stabilizing mortgage rates, how this will impact your decision to buy this spring is important. This is Marc Highfield, broker owner with Exit First Realty. And remember, it's not the market, It's the marketing that makes the difference.